Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. But if you're new here, I also appreciate you clicking on this video. Today's video is very effective and very simple. All the ingredients are easy to find. Don't forget to check the description box to purchase all my favorite products as well as ingredients I use in my video. My first ingredient is coffee. You will also need a carrier oil. Today I chose to use pure grapeseed oil. If you read on the bottle, you can see it's rich in omega-3 and 6 and also vitamin E. And all these are nutrients that our hair needs to thrive. So I added some oil to my coffee, then I gave it a good stir. I measured about 3 tablespoons of my coffee, then I top it out with oil to cover it up. You do not have to use grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. It can be avocado oil, olive oil, or any oil that works for your hair. And hey, you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your family, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so this is our coffee oil. If you can see, it has separated from the oil. That is why it's important to leave it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, the next thing you're going to do is to strain it. You do not want any coffee particles in your hair. Coffee is really great for hair because it has caffeine. Caffeine will stop hair loss, hair breakages, or any hair issues that you'll be having. Applying coffee to your hair is going to make your hair really soft and easy to manage. It is also going to stimulate new healthy growth by stimulating blood circulation into the scalp to help your scalp produce new healthy hair. The recipe is not over yet. There are a few ingredients we need to add to make it work even much better. This is just the first step. And guys, make sure you are following this recipe to the core because this right there, it is super powerful. You don't want to joke with it when it comes to hair growth. Petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, can help you moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for a long time. But you really have to know the best way to use this, otherwise it's going to make your hair feel greasy. By using in recipes like these, it's going to make it very easy to apply smoothly onto your hair. It is also going to stop hair breakages. My next ingredient is shea butter. If you have dry, brittle hair, you need shea butter in your hair care routine. Shea butter will moisturize your hair and leave it moisturized for a very long time. And guys, that is what you need. In order to stop hair breakages and let your hair thrive, you need to add something to your hair that will leave it moisturized and not just moisturized, but moisturized for a very long time. So I added my shea butter to my Vaseline. These two together is going to moisturize your hair and leave it moisturized for so many days. So just follow the recipe and make sure you're following all the instructions. I'm going to share the instructions with you, so pay attention and do not skip any part of this video. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair faster, also a certain hair problem. And thank you for doing all that. I use the double boiler method to melt my shea butter with the Vaseline together. And this is what I'm having now. This right there gave me about 2 tablespoons of the 2 ingredients mixed together. So at this point, I'm going to add my coffee oil. And this is the measurement. I measured 1:1, meaning since I'm already having 2 tablespoons of the melted shea butter with a Vaseline, I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of my coffee oil. After adding the two together, I'll make sure to give it a good stir. At that point, your oil is ready. But to make it super effective, there are a few ingredients you can also add to maximize its benefit. And what I do is I love my natural essential oils. Essential oils are great for the scalp and also for your hair strands. It doesn't matter which kind you use. Today, I use the Rosemary essential oil, but feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. Aside the benefits that essential oils adds to your DIYs, it also adds another fragrance to it that improves the smell of any DIY recipe. I'm also adding my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil can come in capsules or sometimes it's already in a bottle. I added 1 capsule to it and gave it a good stir. Vitamin E oil will prevent hair breakages and strengthen your hair strength. So whenever you prepare your DIYs, do not forget to add some vitamin E oil to it. At this point, I left my recipe in the refrigerator, and after some few minutes, this is what I had. It has all solidified, and I have my pomade, call it hair moisturizer, or call it hair cream. Guys, the key to retaining length and growing thicker and fuller hair is to stop your hair from breaking. And you need a hair moisturizer that will keep your hair moisturized for a long time to prevent hair breakages or hair loss. This recipe right here is going to do just that. Apply this on your wash day as a hair moisturizer, or you can use this every other day in your hair or whenever your hair feels dry. Use it as you would use any hair moisturizer. The key is to be consistent with it and do not leave your hair dry so you can always retain some length. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.